The next step in the DIO build is going to be to get these panels on correctly. Once they're on correctly, and I'll have to modify them, then what I'll do is I'm going to sand them down with maybe 1000 grit clear, and I'm going to respray them with 2 or 3 heavy coats of clear, and I'm going to buff the hell out of them until they look like a mirror. So I've got my 30 millimeter Oco on here right now. I have a 33 Sudco wet and ready to go, but I want to get this dialed in first to see how it works. My problem is it's 60 degrees outside. I cannot ride the bike even if I wanted to, because its reverse vapor lock will not give me a good reading on how the bike should run. So what I'm going to do is get the plastics in order, get them ready to paint, and then, see, I got a heater on. Then I will have them ready in spring to paint. My one problem is with this radiator, this little nozzle sticks out, which is annoying, but kind of cool, because I'm going to make it like some kind of custom, I don't know, but I've taken a marking pin and marked where this tube comes out, and I want the face, the wind cover, windscreen, whatever they call it, I want it to fit flush and perfect. So I'm going to take a Dremel, and I'm going to Dremel out that little area and keep going little bit by little bit until it fits. It may take me 20 or 30 times, but I'll get it to fit correctly. And then I'll slowly get the motor back together. I'm still waiting for pictures on that big DIO intake. I'd like to see if anyone has the big DIO intake. I've seen some pictures of the black one, but I'd like to see what they actually look like, you know, upside down. What kind of modifications you have to make to the case, which is not a problem, but I just have not seen one very close. So if anyone's got a picture of that or a video, I'd appreciate it. It's working, the bike is working good. My problem is it took a year and a half to build the motor. I don't know, 430 videos. And now that it's very close, all of a sudden it goes into winter and the motor's not working right, and I'm getting depressed. So what I do? Well, I do like what any Honda guy does. He tells the wife that he just can't go on anymore, and I go out and buy a 600 RR. Oh, I'm going to have some fun. We're going to make some videos of this 600. Oh, it says RR right there, I think. Yeah, RR. I'm going to make some videos of this racing against the DIO, and they should be very cool, because we all know that the DIO is going to kick the shit out of this 2010 CBR, but we'll see. And also, one other thing I'd like to say is, I've only ridden this bike once. Only rode it over from my house off my truck to this small garage, and I'll tell you what it's like if you're a DIO rider. Riding one of these monsters is like riding a 2,000-pound Brahma bull, a pissed off Brahma bull with a clutch. This is DIOSpeedDEMON. Rock on.